What's up? This is Scotty here with Southern Off-Road. We got a 2024 Segway UT10 Premium. We just finished up. First thing you're going to notice is the white plastics on it. So we swapped out the plastics from camo to white on this one. We added the Segway turning signal kit. We added some LED headlights, so LED headlight conversion. We have the RAD Accessories LED light bar there in the grille opening. Super ATV flip up windshield. A super ATV back window. With the rough country soundbar. We have the Segway rear view mirror and the Segway side view mirrors. And this thing turned out great. This one will be headed out next week to Tennessee for the customer. Don't forget Segway's lifetime powertrain warranty. The RAD accessory switch here, then we have the turn signal, or excuse me, the hazard switch here.